guys, Richard here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Velotric Breeze 1. We're going to do a full review. We're going to talk about some of the specs, and then we're going to get it out and take it for a ride. So let's get into it. All right, a big shout out and thanks to Velotric for sending us the Breeze 1, as well as a couple other bikes here recently. I'll tell you what, we've really been enjoying it because these are some really nice bikes. And let's just get into the specs and talk about it. It's got a 750 watt motor. It's got 65 Newton meters of torque. We've got a 13.4 amp hour battery that's integrated inside the frame here. Moving on up here to the front, we do have 180 millimeter disc brakes, and we have these nice road tires. This is a road bike. It's more of a cruiser style, so you don't have the suspension forks. That's the only thing I wish was different for my personal liking. I like all bikes that have suspension forks. Even if you're on the flat surface, occasionally you're going to hit a bump and you're going to feel it a little bit. But nonetheless, super nice bike. Moving on up here, let's talk about the front here. Cabling, everything is wrapped all the way down, all the way up, so really nice on the cable management there. We'll get back to the cockpit in a moment. Moving back here, you can see we have what looks like a 48 tooth crank set right there. Alta Shimano derailleur. This bike does have fenders, and it's got a bike rack that's available for it for free. We didn't get those with our demo model, but that is available to you if you buy it right now. You get it for free. Nice. The seat up here is not too bad. I mean, I'm going to swap that out for my favorite seat. It's pretty typical for a saddle for a road bike. And let's see what else. Oh, this is a cool feature right down here. We have brake lights integrated back here with the frame. That's kind of a unique feature right there. Let's get up into the cockpit area here. We'll start right here at this beautiful display. Really easy to read. You got your battery indicator. It's got different modes for riding this. Right now it's in trail mode. It tells you if your lights are on or not, your speed. It tells you what pass level you're in, as well as if you're in torque mode or cadence mode, because at a click of a button, you can change between torque and cadence because it has a switchable sensor. Super nice. Your distance and your time and all that stuff that's down there below. Over here on the left, we do have this rubbery style handle grips with a bump out like that. Hydraulic brakes already mentioned. Really nice button pad. The on button is way up here on the top. We'll press that because it just timed out. There it goes. Powers back up. We do have left and right blinkers. Click the left one on. We do have an indicator on the dash as well as an audible beep. And then you can see back here, you can easily see the blinkers, which I like. Turn that off by hitting the button again. Yeah, you do have your up and down pass level, so up all the way up to 5, back down to 0. If you hit your M button quickly, it's going to toggle your information down here. But if you press and hold, it's going to get you into the menu. And here where you can get in, you can swap your sensor, you can change your speed limit, change the brightness of your screen, a few other things. Press the M mode again, selects the item, and then you hit the back button, which is located on the bottom of your button pad. While you're riding down the road, while you're in motion, if you want to change from torque to cadence, all you have to do is press and hold the M button. It's not going to bring you to the menu. It's just all it's going to do is change the sensor around. So I really like that because it's nice and easy. You don't want to be pedaling and going down the road, want to change your sensor and having to go through the menu system, right? So they took care of that for you. Press and hold the menu, or press and hold the M button, and it's going to swap for you. This is a little different up here. We do have a headlight that's mounted up here on the handlebars instead of down below. So that's kind of cool. They also give us a reflector right there. Over here on the right side, we do have the standard bell, and this is an 8-speed shifter, okay, with the paddle shifters over here for up and down. I like this because there's no ghost pedaling at all, especially when you're in torque sensor mode. This thing is so easy to ride. You just kind of glide down the road real nice and smooth. Super nice bike. Probably the best road / cruising / type of bike that we've had on the channel, with the exception of, yep, mentioned it already, wish they had forks on the front. Guys, that's going to be it for this part. Let's go ahead and get this thing on the road, and we'll do a little more testing and show you a couple of things about it. All right, guys, so this bike is perfect if you need to do a little commuting to and from work or something, or if you're just out cruising around your neighborhood. It'd be perfect for that as well. Like I said, it's super well built. It's a Velotric name. If you're familiar with Velotric, or even if you're not, they build really good quality bikes with really good quality components, and I just couldn't be happier with what they've developed here. But yeah, we can get out here and just comfortably cruise. Right now I am in torque sensor mode, and I'm in, looks like 6th gear over here on the mechanical gears, pedal assist 2, and we're going about 9-10 miles an hour. Just really nice, smooth rotation of the pedals. We're gonna have to cross the street right here. All right, with hydraulic brakes on this, you know you're gonna stop quickly if you need to. We're gonna go ahead and test that out now. We're only going about 12-13 miles an hour, hitting the brakes now. See there, we can easily lock up the brakes if we wanted to. Just come to a nice quick stop. I like that. It has a left-handed thumb throttle. I don't think I mentioned that, so it's got fairly decent response. It's not like a mountain style bike or something where you're going to get a lot of speed off the jump there. It's a nice, slow, gradual, which is perfect for most people because you don't want something that's going to jump off and run off away from you, or give you that feeling at least. You want something that's just nice and smooth and gradual. We're going to stop right here for a second. If we were starting from a stop position, this is what it looks like. All right, see there? Takes a few seconds just to get on up there to about 15 or so. Now we're cruising along. Again, nice and comfortable. Hey, let's say it's a hot day and we don't want the exercise. We just want a little easier cruising and we want to switch it over to cadence mode. All we got to do, remember, is hit that M button, press and hold, and now it's in cadence sensor mode. Just that easy. We're going to hop up on the sidewalk here because we're out of bicycle lane. If we don't crash into our camera person back there, that is. Yeah, the handlebars have just gently sweep back towards your body a little bit, so it gives you a mostly upright riding position. Nice and comfortable, so I like that as well. Cross the street here again. Looks like it's safe. Crossing the street again. I didn't mention how light this bike is. It's only 48 pounds, so with that smaller battery, they're trying to keep the weight of the bike down to make it easy to manage, easy for you to pick up and load into your vehicle or something. And it's super easy to do at 48 pounds, so I like that. And because it's got that torque sensor mode in there, you're still going to get a good distance on, a 13 amp hour battery. I haven't done a range test, but I would imagine realistically, you're going to get at least 25-30 miles or something. As long as you're in torque sensor mode and you're putting forth a little effort to help it along, that's probably what you can expect. Guys, I just couldn't be happier with the Velotric Breeze 1, and I know if you're looking for this style of bike, look no further. This is the one you want because super nice. If you're looking for a thinner tire bike like this, super nice, and you're going to be happy, just as happy as I am with it, I'm sure. Make sure you follow the link down below, and you can go and look all the specs over on your own. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. We're going to sign off now and bid you a farewell and ride responsibly, ride safe.